In the heart of a lush, vibrant jungle, a baby elephant named Chiku spent his afternoon splashing. He playfully chased shimmering dragonflies and kicked cool water with his trunk, completely unaware of the hidden danger lurking beneath. Suddenly, the ground turned into thick, dark sludge. Chiku took one step, but his legs sank deep. He pulled hard, yet his back legs only slid deeper. Within seconds, the mud reached his belly. Chiku let out a loud, desperate trumpet that echoed through the trees. High above, monkeys swung toward the cry while birds circled to spot the location. Deer emerged, ears twitching. They saw Chiku struggling and leaped into action. Monkey tossed sturdy vines to Deer, who wrapped them around his neck. Guided by birds' chirps, Deer braced against a rock and pulled with all his strength. Chiku felt the tension, pushed his trunk against the mud, and heaved. The suction broke. Panting and covered in mud, Chiku stood up and nudged his friends in thanks. He realized that no matter how deep the mud, he would never be stuck for long with friends.